Esther C. Bill, the founder and president of Carde. Me and the team Carde, we are on the way visiting one of the villages of Atakpame. We are very close for bringing water to the villagers. The village called Matekpo. Yeah, the kids are welcoming us with Indian hand or chicken. That is in their culture to welcome the visitor. Wow, now they are singing, they are very joyful. They are welcoming us by saying Bon Arrivé. Oh, Bon Arrivé. Oh, Bon Arrivé. Bon Arrivé, that is welcoming. Oh, you guys are welcome. Bon Arrivé, they are welcoming us, very joyful to see us, very hopeful. We are missionary. They don't know why we are bringing them. They are just hopeful. Azibina Zibi is a kind of disciplined warrior message. One, Azibina Zibi, yeah, is a kind of disciplined quote, disciplined song. Now, J. Goldman, Adam representing Kage. J is so joyful by connecting with the villagers, the village kid. He is so happy dancing like David that he's so happy praising God through his dance that he's welcome. Wow, what a joy to connect with the kid. That is harmony. Harmony is Adam's mother that brought school to the village. Wow. Allô, allô, j'écoute. On se tête. That is Adam that represents Carde in Togo. Adam is the vice president of Carde in Togo. He's telling the kid, allô, allô, on écoute. That means we are listening. When we are listening, we have to be quiet. Me, Esther, I'm saying thanks to all the villagers that welcoming us. I say thank you, thank you, thank you. Akpe, akpe, akpe. Thank you for welcoming us. That now we are being so grateful and thankful to God that brought us to this place at this moment. This place that and we work together with Adam for so many years by sending them school supplies, some food, some clothes, fabric to make a cloth with. Now we finally arrived today to see the job that is getting done on the field. We are here to exchange ideas with them. Now they are so happy of the message for coming, exchanging ideas with them to see what we can do together. We are missionary. We are charity workers. They are happy that the charity workers or the missionaries come to exchange ideas with them. They are dancing. They are so joyful. Now the gentleman, a porte-parole, as we say, representing the chief of the village, welcoming us. Miawe Zanlo. They say that their mother, Harmony, Adam's mother, his strength, his hard working, helped them to have a school there today. Adam's mother, by the grace of God, strive hard, work hard, never stop for asking for help to have a school. And then they have a school today. And they are thanking God for everything, that the one that provides a little tissue have to provide a bigger tissue as well. That they have two very important problems that is pushing them down. The school that they have over there, they just put something like a zinc on it. When it's raining or they have a heavy wind, that thing always come off the roof, and then the kids have to run away to go home. And the second thing is the water that the kids are drinking is not a healthy water. They have no water in the village.
That is the water the kids.
Wow, the kids go to the river to bring the river water, which Jay want to feel their pain. They put their hand in it to taste the water that is disgusting, and then it is scary to just go to the river, get the water to drink. I'm asking them again, where this water coming from? As Jay was asking, this water is coming from the river. Those are the two very important things that are weighing them down. The roof of the school and the water. Oh, that when we travel far away from America to come to support Adam, that is doing hard work, and to support Harmony, his mother that helped to have a school, they trust God that we put our ideas together to bring a little solution to them as a missionary or as Adam that represents Carde in Togo is talking to them about Jay. That Jay is a Jew. And then his story comes from his ancestor that brought us a story of Moses. One of his patriarchs is Moses. That Moses, God commanded him with a stick. The stick that he holds in his hand when he's walking with that stick is like a mission for him. Oh, to go with that stick as a mission. And then go get everything done with that stick. So God will bless it. So Jay will use the stick as he has a mission to help everybody to touch that stick. Then we are going now, Jay holding the stick to not forget the message that the villagers will give to him. Oh, that stick, if he carries, he's walking with that stick. That is a mission from villagers. And the villagers and the chief and his representative are so happy and grateful, blessing the creation of God, the earth, the ground, the wind, everything that is natural of God's creation, that they are so happy God that created everything and put us in it. God is blessing this ground and blessing us that come as well as a charity service worker to bless us, that the idea we come to exchange with them may be fruitful. And then everybody is blessed. That way the charity workers, we are blessed. And the missionaries are blessed.
Nice one. I love it.
Now we just make a commitment between the villagers and us, Team Carde, passing the staff all over. That staff represent a big commitment to bring them clean water. Everyone is touching the staff. A promise for a clean water between them and us, Team Carde. Here we add the staff, get close to our team, that is Harmony, touching the staff, Team Carde. And there is Afi, Team Carde, touching the staff. The staff is being controlled by Eden, who move it back now to the chief, his wife. Bringing up 1, 2, and 3. Now, let's come back to the reality. Following the villagers for a long walk. A long walk from home to go get the water. This work, they have to do it every day, but not for clean water. Yes, there is a lady that is scooping a muddy water. Them is follow them to ask them to see, is that how the water is, and you guys drink that every day? The lady say yes.
Et je la demande, bon, c'est comme ça en période de soleil, le reste, elle m'a dit oui.
In the dry season, they have nothing.
Wow.
Only this water. Yeah, because in the dry season, this hole have a little bit of water, muddy water, they have to come to collect for use. Yeah, they got a little bit of the muddy water, remember? They get this water. Or if this is dry here, they get it from the river. It's not a safe water. It's not a healthy water. It's not a clean water. And they have to take a long walk back home.
Un peu, malgré que l'eau finit.
I think we can do better than this. We as a community, we can do better. We can provide clean water for those people. I'm inviting everyone that will see this video to join us, Team Carde. Join us so we can bring a clean water to those people in their village. Now we are at the end of our visit. We are taking a souvenir picture with them. Look at those beautiful children with their clothing. We provided those fabrics to them at the end of the year, holiday season, to have a clothing. If we can provide a fabric for them to have a clothing, we can as well provide them a clean water. Yes, that is a warrior scream, Zibio, Zibio, for them to have a courage, for them to be disciplined, for them to have a hope. We have to go to the next village. We have 3 more villages and 1 orphanage to visit.